Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I would like to give the solutions for the assignment 2 for the course of Data Analytics with the Python. So this is the second assignment. Already I have given the solutions for the assignment number 1. Now this is the assignment number 2 for this course, Data Analytics with Python. Now we see the question number 1. Which of the following is not a method for describing a sample space? So for this the answer is offset builder notation. A club of 4 is to be selected from a group of 12 people. How many possible clubs can be selected? The given answer is 495. So third question, coming to the third question. So 8 individuals are candidates for the positions of president, vice president and treasurer of an organization. How many possibilities of selections exist? Normally 336 possibilities of selections are existing. A college plans to interview 8 students for possible offers of graduate assistantships. The college has 3 assistantships available. How many groups of 3 can the college can select? The answer is 56 for this question. And now coming to the question number 5. Company plans to interview 10 recent graduates for possible employment. The company has 3 positions open. How many groups of 3 can the company select? So for this, the given answer is 120. Now coming to the question number 6. Individual outcome of an experiment is called as a sample point. This answer is sample point. And two events having non-zero probabilities cannot be both mutually exclusive and independent. So two events having non-zero probabilities cannot have both mutually exclusive and as well as independent. Okay. On an average, 5% items supplied by the manufacturer X at defectives. If a batch of 10 items are inspected, what is the probability that 2 items are defective? That is 0.075. So now coming to the question number 9. A question paper contains 90 multiple choice questions. There are 4 alternate questions A, B, C, D, out of which only one is correct. Mr. X answers these questions randomly. What is the probability that X gets a score at least 10 marks? The answer is 0.001. State the true or false. The statement is given for the 10th question. Statement: a distribution can either be discrete or continuous. It can't be both at the same time. So the given answer for this is true. Once again, we see from the starting onwards. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a method for describing a sample space? Offset builder notation. Coming to the question number 2, the answer is 495. Coming to the question number 3, the answer is 336. And question number 4, it is 56. Question number 5, it is 120. Question number 6, it is sample point. Question number 7, it cannot be both mutually exclusive and independent. Question number 8, 0.075. Question number 9, it is 0.001. Question number 10, it is true. So these are the answers for the week 2 for the Data Analytics with Python course. Thank you one and all.